I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project you will tidy. Make a quick backup, then zoom the timeline in until gaps are obvious. Around 200% is good. Turn snapping on so clips snap into place when you move them. Once visible, click a gap to select it. If a single click won't, drag a tiny marquee around the empty area. This step primes you. You're locating the exact empty space you'll remove, not trimming clips yet. Now remove the gap itself. With the empty area selected, right-click and pick Delete Gap or Ripple Delete. This pulls downstream clips left, preserving timing. If Clipchamp version lacks that command, manually drag the clip on the right until it snaps to the left clip. Snapping prevents overlap. Once done, play through the cut to confirm sync. Make sure audio tracks moved too. If audio didn't follow, select both video and audio before repeating the ripple action. Finish by scrubbing the timeline and checking every cut for jumpiness or audio drift. Fix trims as needed. If a transition was lost, reapply it after you confirm timing. Make small adjustments with trim handles rather than moving entire clips once close. If a gap persists, unlink video and audio, move them separately, then relink. Alternatively, undo and try right-click Delete Gap again. If nothing works, export a short test to verify final output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.